to see who shared your Instagram post. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, simply click on the post you want to see who shared. Then, below your post, you'll find View Insights. Click on View Insights. Here you will find how many people shared and an arrow-like option, but not who shared. So what you can do is simply screenshot your post, then open Google. In Google, click on the Google Lens section in the search bar. After you've done that, select the picture, which is your post. After that, if anybody has posted your Instagram post, you will find it in here. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to see who shared your Instagram post. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.